In this video, I'll share some of the new editing capabilities that I've added to my interface for Amazon Titan Image Generator. In my previous video, which I'll link to in the description, we looked at the image generation capabilities of this interface. You'll now find those under this Generate Mode tab. But now we have this new Edit Mode tab. If I click over there, you'll see that we can upload any image from our hard drive to begin editing it. We can also choose any of the previously generated images and edit one of those. So let's start by editing this image. One of the first things you'll notice is that it automatically scales down the resolution of the image if it's larger than what Titan Image Generator can accept as an input. This interface supports in-painting, out-painting, and precise out-painting. We'll stick with in-painting for now. And with each of these modes, we need to provide a mask. The mask determines which pixels in the image should be affected and which should remain unchanged. We can draw a mask freehand, or we can describe a mask using natural language. For now, we'll draw our mask. And I'm going to switch to the eraser and get rid of the little squiggle I did here. I can change the size of the brush using this slider. Or if I hover over the image and hold down the Option key on the Mac, I can use the scroll wheel on my mouse to do the same. So let's get rid of that. And let's switch back to our brush. I want to give this dog a bow tie. So I'm going to loosely draw in where I want the bow tie to go. And I'm going to use a prompt of dog wearing a bow tie. Now we'll hit Submit. And a few seconds later, our image is generated. Now you'll see that we have access to revert back to our original image or just to reapply the mask we created previously. Reapplying is good if you just want to modify the mask a little bit. But if we click on the original image, it will also restore the original mask, and we can do another generation to get another option. That looks pretty good. So now let's use outpainting to change the environment around the dog. So I'm going to choose to describe my mask this time. And I'm going to use the words dog and bow tie to ensure that both of those things remain untouched in the generated image. I'll use the prompt dog on the deck of a sailboat. And if I wanted to, I could expand this panel to modify a few more settings, but these aren't applicable to us right now, so I'll keep the panel closed. And there's our final image. It looks great. If we go back to the Generate mode and look at our library, you'll see that each of the images we generated were automatically saved there. And if I click on one of them, it tells me which image it was derived from. So I can always click on that image to go back to it if I'd like. I hope you like these new image editing features, and I look forward to sharing more new features with you as I develop them.